ilagay. So you can hold them. Streaming video, that's also one way. Okay, video, as long as if it's content, it's basically, if I'm going to push it out as a concept, it's push. Okay, if you're pushing content to the browser, walang problema. Okay, lagay mo kay CDN. But if you are like receiving transactions, sa sayo na yun. Ikaw na mag-handle doon. Doon sa actual instance mo na. CDN is just for delivery content. Video, audio, of course, content ng pages. Pwede yun. Okay? Ayan. Create a storage account, enable CDN, upload the content to a blob container, and Azure is going to host that for you. Your client is going to browse cdn.customer.com, basta gano'n lang, then get, and then it's, ayan. Doon siya ko-connect sa mga servers ng Azure. And then sila, yung kukuha doon sa blob storage, and well, basically, it's you're going to, there we go. Oops. So basically, your customers, you basically instantly had over 22 locations globally. So parang nag-host ka sa maraming mga bansa all over the world. Right now there are 12 data centers, Azure data centers. I can tell you, but I'll have to kill you.
What country?
I will tell you.
No, pwede. There's Asia, America, Europe.
Okay.
So, tigda dalawa. Dalawa sa Asia, dalawa sa America, dalawa sa Europe. Right now, my concern is ito. Ayaw ko gumana. So, yung laptop ko walang wifi. Hindi pa kasi bayad.
Yung recording bayad yan.
Well, only by the podcast.
Sa pundo yung sasabi. Yung isa na sa. Yung isa na sa. Sasabi. Yung questions.
Baka pa sa viral eh.
Malamayo pa rin ngayon doon.
Nice. Pink pa, no? Okay. Sino may question? Kung may question kayo, habang kinakalikot ko ito, pakila. Okay, sulat lang yung question niya, tapos ilagay niya sa bulsa niya. Yun ang tanong.
Si Janelle may question.
May question na nanda.
Hey, Janelle, you have a question? Ha? Mamaya na.
Luto ka sa Janelle.
Is it pagdating sa security naman dyan?
Security? Yeah. Well, from within Azure, okay, data center to data center, wala siyang security. Kasi ano siya eh, puro virtualized, okay? But there's no need for security. It's virtual. Wala mo wire. Okay? Okay? Tapos, yung sa application level, kanya-kanyang security na yan. It supports HTTPS, of course. Mamaya, yung offering.
Bibili mo siya, bibili mo yan. Kinakain mo yan. Pwede ba?
Ay, salamat.
Wala ka.
Identifying. Oh, anyways. Okay, so ito mamaya is a Windows Azure Platform Training Kit. Everyone gets one. Okay. So let's go straight to what we're going to do. So ang gagawin ko today is, yun na, internet ko. Oh my. Talagang kailangan magloko siya eh, no? Oh, there we go. Kanina nag-Facebook lang eh. Okay, so what we're going to do first is, ang goal natin, makapag-create tayo ng isang application, isang basic website na kumukuha ng data sa isang Windows Azure na SQL Azure. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that meron kayo ng requirements. One is the Azure SDK. Okay? Pero pag meron kayo nun, that means nakapasa na rin kayo sa dalawa pang requirements, which is the .NET Framework 4, okay, which also requires an operating system no less than Windows. Si Vista ba? Nag-support na ng Framework 4? Okay, basta you need .NET Framework 4. Okay? Pwede, right? Okay. So yan. And then secondly, you need SQL Server 2008 R2. Okay? SQL Server 2008 R2. Hindi pwedeng hindi R2. I'm going to show you later why. It's just one tiny detail. Some detail lang. So, turn on Management Studio. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at some data. Okay? Alright. We're going to need data for this. Okay? Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to create a SQL Azure instance. Okay, so this is your Azure portal. If you have an Azure account, dito ka mapupunta. Okay? It's windows.azure.com. Okay? So, anong gagawin ko? Okay, we're going to create a database. So, ganito lang yon. Yung isa sa inyo, bibili ng server. Ako, mag-create na lang dito. Meron na pala ako. Okay. So, I already have a database here. But how to do that, ito lang basically. Just click create a new server. Okay? Kaya lang sabi niya, new server could exceed the quota for the subscription. Kasi yung subscription ko, pang ano lang, pang mahirap lang. So, hanggang isang server lang kaya kong gawin. Okay. Meron na pala akong database dito. Drop ko siya. Bilis, so, ganun lang ang drop ng database. May master. Hindi, buong database na drop natin para makita ko sa inyo. So, basically, nagtapon ako ng isang buong makina. So, I did. Right? Dinilit ko yung makina. So, I create a new machine. Okay? Select a region. Southeast Asia, para safe. Admin login. Admin. Pwede na yan. Password. P2. 1, 2, 3. Tandaan nyo, ha?
Kasi ko yan mamaya.
Ayan. Sabi niya, the following logins are either reserved or disallowed for security reasons. Masyado daw siyang common. Diba? Laos. Okay. Admin ni Edu. Ano? Ano ka? There we go. So, next thing we need to make sure is ito. So, you're creating a new server, right? Then here we will declare sino-sino ang pwedeng mag-connect sa kanya. Siyempre, alam ka naman buong mundo, payagan mo mag-connect sa server mo. Pero first, I have to check allow other Windows Azure services to connect to the server. Kasi kailangan natin mag-connect yung instance ng application. Kailangan makakonect sa server. So I have to allow that. Wait. Then I'm going to add another one. Rule name all. Parang ganun din. Buong mundo pinayagan natin. Ilan ba ito? 4, 5? 2. Naubos. Okay, so basically, everyone in the world can connect. Pero pag kayo gagawa, demo yan, syempre, iling-iling kayo dyan. So pag kayo gagawa niyan, yung range ng company ninyo. Okay? And then after this, hindi ko nagagawin, pero after this, what you have to do is you have to create a user account na hindi admin. Super admin kasi yung account na yun eh. Yun yung makakapag-delete. So gagawa ka ng isa pa na naka-read only. Okay? So meron na ako, may master DB na ako. Para ka nang pumunta sa CDR King, bumili ka ng server, pinormat mo, nilagyan mo na. Okay. So let's create. Parang ganun lang yun. Di ba? Okay, developer ka, anong concern mo? Paano ko connect dyan? Click mo to, connection strings. Ayun, kahit PHP developer ka, walang problema. Yes, you have that. Di ba? Right? That's why I said kanina, maggawa pa kayo ng isa pa, kasi isa pang user, kasi itong password na to, okay, hindi yan yung sinunod ko kanina. Because this one is a super user. Okay, DBO yan eh. So, wag. Okay, so, ganito pa lang. Ngayon pa lang you can already click manage. And then it's going to take you to another page. Mabaho, kaya nakaka-hatching. Okay, admin edu. Hanggang 4 ba? O 1, 2, 3 lang. 1, 2, 3 lang. Yan. Yan, dito, pwede ka na mag-create na. SQL Server na on the cloud. Diba? And you can connect to this using a browser from anywhere in the world.
Any kind of browser?
Any browser. Basta may Silverlight 4. Any browser, basta may internet connection. Kailangan ko sabihin yun. Baka,
Kailangan tayo.
Kailangan may internet connection, may Silverlight. O, diba? So, tables. Pero ang pangit yan. So, sanay tayo dito eh, right? So, I'm going to do on my databases. Okay, let's see. Ano to mga to? Sige, Adventure Works. Para ano? So, wala yung North Green. Okay. So, what I'm going to do, so meron ako existing database. Okay, let's say Adventure Works. Okay, para walang kahirap-hirap. Right? You right-click. Right-click. Yeah, you right-click. Generate scripts. Script out mo yung database. Yep. Ikutin mo lahat. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Walang kukurap.
Bakit naman?
Importante to eh. Okay? Alt and then meron ditong sira. Ito, wag na to. Wala nang build version. Wala na yung log. Bubukod yung log dyan eh. Tsaka ito, alam ko sira ito eh. Okay. Ano yung, SQL Azure supports a lot of things na natively supported by SQL, pero meron siya mga bagay na hindi sinusupport. Number one, yung use keyword. Yung use, tapos database name, hindi pwede yun. Kasi, bakit? Any ideas? Bakit hindi tatalab ang use keyword?
Common na siya.
No, not because it's common. Use database name. Di ba yun yung use database name, select this from that table. Bakit hindi gagana yung use keyword?
Old school na siya.
No. Alas 7 na.
Eh.
Wala? Okay. Akin pa rin to. Hindi gagana kasi, if you have noticed here, your database name is like this.
Yun ang nga sinasabi ko.
Yes. Sino nag-dictate nito? Sino nagsabi na ito ang maging database name? Si Azure. Siya nag-assign. So there's no way for you to predict ano yung magiging database niya. So alam mo, hulaan mo, use GCGOU8, di ba? Tapos select. Hindi pwede yun. Full text search, still not supported. Okay. Stored procedures, 100% supported. So I'll click next. Hindi ko na ba? I'll click next. Ito. Let's go to the advanced setting. Okay, dito kayo walang kukurap ha. Advanced. Meron siyang SQL version. Hindi. Ito. Ito ay nasa R2. Kaya SQL Server 2008 R2. Yes. Sabi natin pag-usapan. Pwede, pero kasi ganito. Okay, let me put it this way. Basically, what this will do, choosing SQL Azure database is, it's going to remove all of your commands and stored procedures mo na hindi gagana sa Azure. It's going to include your indices kasi importante sa Azure yon. It's going to fix your database. Yung script na lalabas, i-fix niya para gumana sa Azure. Now, if alam mo naman kung ano yung kailangan tanggalin, pwede yung express. Pero, ang mangyayari, ikaw mag-isa magtatanggal na. So, theoretically, pwede sa express. Okay. Kasi, it's just, it's basically just running a script. Okay? Going back here, it's just basically ito. Asa na yun? New query, open query, database, connect DB. Ayan, new query. Parang ganun. You can actually generate the script, tapos copy mo, paste mo dito, which is hindi gagana kasi Silverlight ito, walang right click. Or, this is what we're going to do. Ito. Pero babalik ako, teka, sandali. Sasablay nga pala ito. Ang dami eh. Okay, let's just choose one or two tables. Okay? Say geography. Tsaka ano pa? Product, kailangan niya yung marami kadikit to eh.
Yung employee.
Employee, marami rin kadikit yan. Pero let's see. Okay. And then you say you want this to run on SQL Azure. Ayan, tignan nyo, ang dami niyang disable. Logins, use database, right? Script bindings, extended properties, ang dami niya tinanggal. Right? Then tatanungin ka, ano yung gusto mong I'm going to choose schema and data kasi siyempre gagawa tayo ng database, gusto ko meron niyang Gusto ko meron yung data.